LED indicator with blue DRL, LED H4 headlight with DRL, LED H4 projector with low beam and high beam, and then we have LED indicator with rear DRL. Hey, what's up guys, hope you are doing fantastic. Today I have the Yamaha YZF R15 version 1. This bike has done about 10 years now. So we'll be installing LED bulbs in this bike. So let's remove the visor with the Allen key. We will be installing H4 LED headlights and LED indicators with DRLs. So let's quickly remove the visor. So there you can see I have removed the visor. That's the H4 connector. Let me gently pull it out. There, that's the H4 connector. This is both high beam and low beam. Now let me remove the rubber cover, and there you can see that's the 35 watt halogen bulb. Let's remove this bulb. If you have any old bike, I highly recommend to replace all your halogen bulbs with LEDs. LEDs consume very less power. So that's the 35 watt halogen bulb. That's the H4 connector. So that's the low beam and high beam. I have joined this white wire to the low beam of the connector. So this white wire also goes to the right hand side headlight. It is connected to the low beam here in the connector. So by connecting this white wire, both the low beams can be switched on. The low beam will work on both left hand side and right hand side of the headlight. So this is a very simple trick to make your low beam work on both the headlights. So that's the H4 projector headlight. This is a very cheap projector LED. The low beam is yellow and the high beam is white. So that's the projector lens. This bulb cost me about 400 rupees including shipping. So here I have another design. This is also a H4 LED bulb. So that's the high beam. It has 3 LED, and that's the DRL, that is for the low beam. So these are two types of H4 LED projectors. You can also get powerful projectors at a higher price, but I think these cheap projectors will do the job. So that's the low beam, and in this one we have a low beam yellow and a high beam. So that's the low beam. It's connected to the H4 connector. So that's a low beam. Let me show you. That is the low beam. It is yellow color. That is the high beam. Low beam. There, the high beam. You can see that's the high beam indicator. So this projector is very nice. I've got one projector lens. I'll be fitting this projector H4 bulb on the left hand side headlight. So for the right hand side, I will be using this H4 LED bulb. So in the low beam, the DRL glows, and that's the high beam. These are Cree LEDs. So the high beam is very powerful with 3 Cree LEDs. Both the headlights are 20 watt. The low beam is 20 watt, the high beam is 20 watt. So there we can see the left hand side and the right hand side, both are on low beam. Now this is the high beam, low beam, high beam. The right hand side bulb also has a blinker function. So that's it. Let's quickly fit the bulbs inside. So there both the bulbs are installed. This is the low beam. You can see on the left hand side the blue DRL is glowing, and on the right hand side the yellow low beam is there on the projector. That is the high beam, white high beam. On the left hand side also there is this white high beam. It's looking pretty awesome. That's the H4 LED projector, and that's the H4 LED bulb. Now I have this LED indicators with DRLs. The DRL is blue color. So these are also very cheap. I got them for about 400 rupees. So we will remove this indicator and fit the LED. फटाफट से इसको निकाल के LED इंस्टॉल कर लेते हैं. There are two wires. I need to plug out the wires also. So guys, there I have fitted both the LED indicators. The yellow and black wire are for the turn signal. There you can see the yellow and black wire. I have not connected the red wire. The red wire is for the DRL. So let me show you. So that's the parking. I have not fitted the red wire, so DRL will not work right now. So that's the indicator. So the yellow and the black wire is fitted, which is for the indicator. So that's the LED indicator. It's looking awesome. Now let me fit the red wire. So this is the parking. I'll try to fit the red wire here. So there you can see that is the blue DRL. This will glow when the parking will be on. So this is the connection for the parking. रेड वायर को यहाँ डाल के इसको क्लिप को बंद कर देंगे. So there it is. The LED is been fitted. There is the DRL and the indicator. So that's the red wire for the parking, the yellow and the black for the indicator. On the left hand side also the red wire for the parking and the black and yellow for the indicator. So that's it. The headlights and the indicators are done and the bike is looking awesome. The power consumption will also drastically reduce with all the bulbs changed to LEDs. If you want to purchase LED headlight and indicators, I have left the link in the description of this video. You can also contact me on Instagram. So that's the R15 version 1 with LED headlights and LED DRL indicators. That's the rear indicator. It also has a white DRL. For the DRL to work, you have to connect the third wire to the parking. So there all the indicators are done. That's the bike. It's night time and let me show you how the bike looks. That's the DRL on the indicator. It's looking awesome. There we have the H4 LED bulb and there we have the H4 projector bulb. Let me show you. That is the rear indicator. The white DRL. That is the blue DRL and the indicator. So that's how it looks at night. This is the low beam, the high beam. High beam is fantastic. This is the yellow low beam. That is the high beam. Both the headlights are working in the high beam. Only the projector low beam is yellow. Let me show you. That's the low beam from the projector headlight and the blue color is the DRL on the H4 LED headlight. So this is the low beam. It's looking awesome. Yellow low beam, white high beam. So that's the white high beam from the projector and from the H4 LED. That's the low beam. That's the focus of the high beam. That's the blinker function. I think this is bright enough for night driving. Higher brightness H4 projectors are also available, but I think this brightness is quite good enough. So that's the R15 version 1 with all LED bulbs installed. This bike is now looking awesome. If you have liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, see ya. Bye bye.